Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to see you all today.
It is great to be here. So, Rachel, how did your day start?
Well, I spilled my coffee this morning. It was a very messy start.
Oh, no, not the morning coffee. Did it ruin your clothes?
Yes, right on my favorite white shirt. I had to take a deep breath and change.
Exactly. Sometimes you just have to take a breath and start over.
Right. You can't let one bad moment ruin the whole day.
And that is exactly what our topic is today.
Yes, today we are talking about those really hard days.
We all have them, especially when you are studying a new language.
Oh, absolutely. Some days, English just feels so heavy.
You wake up and it feels like you forgot everything.
I know that feeling. You open a book and the words look alien.
You try to say hello to someone and your brain just stops.
Yes, the blank brain moment. It is so common.
You know the word, but it refuses to come out of your mouth.
It is so frustrating. You start thinking, I am just not good at this.
Or you think, I will never be fluent.
But listen to us today. Those negative thoughts are completely normal.
Totally normal. Every single student has those exact thoughts.
Even teachers have them. We have hard days with new skills too.
For sure. Do you remember when you tried to learn the guitar?
Oh my goodness, yes. My poor fingers.
I remember. You wanted to quit every single week.
I really did. My fingers hurt and the music sounded terrible.
But you did not stop. You kept practicing.
Exactly. And slowly, the chords became a little easier.
Learning English is exactly like learning an instrument.
Your brain is building new connections. That takes energy.
You might have a day where you make 10 mistakes in 1 minute.
Yes, and that is completely fine.
Mistakes are just proof that you are trying something new.
That is true. If you stay silent, you never make a mistake, but you never learn.
Exactly, Rachel. I always tell my students to embrace their mistakes.
Embrace them? Like give them a hug?
Yes, hug your mistakes. They are your best teachers.
That is a very warm way to look at it.
Step by step, those mistakes help you find the right path.
So, what should a student do when they feel totally stuck?
First, do not panic. Do not say, I am bad at English.
Right. Change your words. Say, today is hard, but I am learning.
Perfect. Your mindset changes everything.
Totally. And if you are exhausted, it is okay to rest.
Yep. Rest your brain. Close the heavy grammar book.
What should they do instead?
Excited. Watch a fun movie in English. Or listen to a podcast like ours.
I think that's a great idea. Keep it light and easy.
You don't have to push hard every single day.
Sometimes just showing up for 5 minutes is a big win.
That is so true. Small wins add up over time.
Have you ever felt really stuck with a language, Charles?
Oh, absolutely. When I was learning Spanish, I hit a big wall.
A wall? What do you mean by hitting a wall?
It means I stopped getting better. For weeks, my Spanish felt frozen.
Oh, the flat road, the plateau. That is so discouraging.
It really was. I felt like I was wasting my energy.
So, what did you do to fix it?
I changed my routine completely. I put away my textbooks.
Oh, wow. No books at all? What did you do instead?
I just watched simple Spanish cartoons for kids.
Cartoons. I love that. Did it work?
It did. It made the language fun again. The stress was gone.
That is a wonderful idea. We put too much pressure on ourselves.
We really do. We want to read big, difficult books immediately.
But it is better to start with easy, happy stories.
Right. Read a children's book. The vocabulary is simple and useful.
And the same is true for music, right?
Yes. Don't start with super fast rap songs in English.
Oh my, no. You will just feel completely lost.
Listen to slow pop songs or classic ballads.
You can read the lyrics while you listen. It helps so much.
This is a perfect moment to remind you guys that we are all on this journey together. If you are enjoying our chat today, please hit the like button.
Yes, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can keep studying together every week.
Definitely. And if you know someone who is having a tough English day, share this video with them.
We also want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to relax when English gets hard?
Oh, that is a great question. I love reading the comments.
Me too. Our community has so many good ideas to share.
So true. Let's talk about another big challenge students face.
Are we talking about the fear of speaking out loud?
Yes, that is a huge one for almost everybody.
Oh, I know that feeling well. Sweaty hands, racing heart.
You want to buy a coffee, but you are scared to talk to the barista.
Yes, you just point at the menu because you are afraid of making a mistake.
The classic point and nod technique.
Exactly. We've all done it at some point.
It happens because of stress. Your brain freezes when it is nervous.
So, how do we unfreeze the brain in those moments?
You have to trick your brain. Tell your body that you are safe.
How do you do that? Do you just take a deep breath?
Yes, a deep breath is magic, and speak very slowly.
A lot of people speak fast because they think native speakers speak fast.
Right, but rushing just makes you stumble over your words.
I agree. Speaking slowly actually makes you sound much more confident.
And it gives your brain time to find the vocabulary it needs.
Another good tip is to practice out loud when you're alone.
Yes, talk to yourself while you are cooking or driving.
Or talk to your pets. My cat listens to my English all the time.
Pets are the best audience. They never correct your grammar.
Never. They just look at you. It takes the fear away completely.
Sometimes setting tiny goals is the best way to feel good.
Tiny goals? Like learning one new word a day?
Yes, exactly like that. Don't say, I will study for 3 hours.
3 hours is exhausting just to think about.
It really is. Instead, say, I will listen to one English song.
That is so achievable. Anyone can do that on a hard day.
And when you finish the song, you feel successful.
You get a little burst of happy energy.
And that happy energy makes you want to learn more.
It is a positive cycle. Small wins create good momentum.
Exactly. Did you understand a street sign in English today?
Yes, that is a win. Celebrate it.
Did you say thank you to the bus driver?
Another huge win. It feels amazing to communicate, even a little bit.
We often ignore the small wins because we want the big prize.
Right. We just want the certificate that says fluent.
But fluency is just a mountain built from a million small stones.
That is a beautiful way to picture it, Charles.
Also, try learning small phrases instead of single words.
What do you mean by that? Can you give an example?
Sure. Instead of learning the word water, learn, "Can I have some water?"
Oh, I see. You memorize the whole chunk of language.
Exactly. Then, in the coffee shop, you don't have to build the sentence from zero.
That takes so much pressure off. It is like carrying a little toolkit.
A language toolkit. I love that phrase, Rachel.
But what happens if you forget the phrase?
Just smile. Use your hands to explain.
Yes, playing a little game of charades is totally okay.
We do it too. Native speakers forget words all the time.
It is true. I forgot the word for pillow yesterday.
Really? What did you say instead?
I said, "Where is the soft head block?"
That is brilliant. A soft head block.
See? The communication did not stop. We just laughed about it.
Exactly. The goal is connection, not perfection.
I also see a lot of students worrying about their accent.
Oh, yes. People get very shy if they don't sound perfectly American.
But having an accent is a beautiful thing.
Absolutely. An accent just means you know more than one language.
It shows that you are brave enough to try something new.
So please do not let your accent stop you from talking.
Just speak clearly and be proud of your voice.
Another thing that helps on hard days is writing things down.
Like keeping a journal or a vocabulary notebook?
Yes, a tiny notebook right in your pocket.
Oh, I love that. When you hear a good word, you write it down.
Exactly. And on a hard day, you can read that notebook.
It reminds you of all the words you have already learned.
It is physical proof that you are making progress.
Because sometimes we only see what we don't know yet.
Yet is the most important word in language learning.
It really is. I can't watch a movie without subtitles yet.
I can't order dinner on the phone yet.
It keeps the door open for the future. You will get there.
You just have to believe in yourself and keep going.
Step by step, day by day.
The hard days are literally building the muscles in your brain.
Just like the gym, the heavy weights make you stronger.
Exactly. The confusing English days make you a better speaker.
That makes me feel so much better about making mistakes.
Me too. We just have to laugh, learn, and try again tomorrow.
Okay, I think it is time for a quick summary of our best tips.
Perfect idea. Let's do our mini recap.
Tip number 1. Do not panic when you have a bad day. It is normal.
Tip number 2, rest your brain. Watch a fun, easy cartoon.
Tip number 3. Learn chunks of words, not just single words.
And tip number 4, use the magic word yet. Don't give up.
Those are fantastic tips. Are you ready to try our dialogue section?
Let's jump straight into our practice conversation for today.
Let's imagine you are a student and you are feeling very frustrated today.
And you are my supportive friend. Okay, let's go.
Hey, Charles, you look a little sad. Is everything okay?
Not really. I am so frustrated with my English classes.
Oh no, why are you feeling frustrated?
I feel like my brain is stuck. I forget all the simple words.
I know that feeling completely. It happens to everyone.
But I try so hard. Yesterday, I couldn't even ask a simple question.
That is okay. You just had a hard day. Do not panic.
I just want to sound fluent. My accent is too strong.
Your accent is wonderful. It shows you speak 2 languages.
You really think so? I just feel tired.
Then take a rest today. Watch a fun movie instead of studying.
That sounds nice. Maybe I am putting too much pressure on myself.
Exactly. Step by step. You are getting better, I promise.
Thanks, Rachel. I will not give up. I will try again tomorrow.
That is the spirit. You can do it.
And scene. That was a really great practice conversation.
Thanks. It shows how a friend can really change your mindset.
It does. And we want all of you to practice being that good friend too.
Yes, be kind to yourself and be kind to others who are learning.
Grab a partner or practice these lines in front of your mirror.
Every single day of practice is a victory. Never give up.
We're so proud of you. Thank you for spending time with us today.
Yes, thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave us a comment.
We love building this amazing community with all of you.
Keep learning, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye, friends.